About this property: beachfront location, dramatic ocean view at Hyde Resort and Residences in Hollywood offers direct beachfront access with stunning sea views. Guests can relax on the sun terrace or take a dip in the rooftop swimming pool. Comfortable accommodations: the Apart Hotel features spacious apartments with balconies, terraces, and fully equipped kitchens. Each unit includes air conditioning, a washing machine, and free Wi-Fi, ensuring a comfortable stay. Dining and leisure: a family-friendly restaurant serves Chinese, American, Japanese, and Asian cuisines in a traditional and modern setting. Additional amenities include a bar, fitness center, spa facilities, and a hot tub. Nearby attractions: located a few steps from North City Beach Park, the property is 8.1 miles from Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. Nearby attractions include Hard Rock Stadium and Broward Center for the Performing Arts.